It is the 6th of August 2026, and welcome to today's French A1 class made from real news stories. Today's main story is about server security. 3 other top news stories featured on LinguaWire.com today. First, Todd Blanche voit 2 sénateurs républicains. Todd Blanche sees 2 Republican senators. Next, le film Spider-Man Brand New Day passe $1 milliard, the film. Spider-Man Brand New Day passes $1 billion. And au Royaume-Uni, un chiffre sur la défense est trompeur. In the United Kingdom, a figure on defense is misleading. And now today's story. Here is today's headline. Read it out loud, slowly, and see how much you already understand. Now let us decode it word by word. H.D. Moore is the name. Trouve means finds. Des means some. Faille means flaws. Dans means in. Des contrôleurs de carte mère means motherboard controllers. So the headline says H.D. Moore finds flaws in motherboard controllers. The headline uses the plural word, faille, so the report is about more than one flaw. H.D. Moore trouve des failles. H.D. Moore finds flaws. The verb is trouve, from trouver, and it is a regular verb. More examples are on today's lesson sheet linked below. Ces serveurs sont dans une grande salle. These servers are in a large room. Serveurs is the key word here, and it helps you picture the machines inside one big room. More examples in the lesson sheet. Il a trouvé plus de 12 failles. He found more than 12 flaws. 12 is today's number, and it means 12. Ils aident à voir l'état des serveurs. They help to see the state of the servers. Is the connector here, and it shows purpose. Parfois, ils marchent même quand le serveur est éteint. Sometimes they work even when the server is off. Say it with me. Marche. The French ch is soft, like the shin ship. Now for the pattern of the day, trouver. To find. Je trouve. Tu trouves. Il trouve. Nous trouvons. Vous trouvez. Il trouve. The headline uses the il form, trouve. One last time, read today's headline again at full speed. Before you go, one question from today's story. What does H.D. Moore do? Is it A. Trouve des failles. Voir l'état des serveurs. Or c'est plus de 12 failles. Think about it. The answer and 2 more questions are waiting on today's lesson sheet linked below. Well done, that is today's class. Sign up for free on LinguaWire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. Link below. See you tomorrow.